Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Tinker Crate unboxing. And if you're new to my channel, I created this as a homeschooling resource to show you some different unboxings of things that might be fun for your kids to do. And also to give you a little tours of how we organize our homeschooling space and maybe some curriculum we like to use. But any other ideas you have or things you want to know about, please comment below so that I can know how to best help you, and subscribe if you're interested in learning more. So let's get into this box. So this one says it's a hydraulic claw. So design an articulated claw machine and explore hydraulics. So my son is gonna love this. He loves building stuff and engineering stuff. So let's get in here and see what we have. So we open it up to some blueprint looking like instructions. So if we open these up, maybe, okay. So they're pretty big, so I don't know if you can see it all the way, but. So, and there's stuff on the back too. There's instructions on both sides. Okay, so those look, and they're upside down, don't worry. I can read, just not on video, I guess. So this is the correct way. So it looks like pretty detailed instructions. Again, that's something I really like about these boxes. All the ones we've gotten in the past and as well as recently, they all have really detailed instructions. And then we have the little booklet. Again, this doesn't come in the doodle crate. I don't know why they don't have a separate booklet. It's all just in one. And it doesn't provide a whole lot of extra activities. It's mostly just instructions and maybe a little bit of history on the project. But that's one of my favorite things about all the other boxes we've gotten, is that they give you this booklet and it gives you different design challenges. It has different ideas for other projects you could do instead of just the one that's in the box, or sometimes they have you use the box itself to make another project. So I really love how they give you this pamphlet. So once we look through it and my son gets excited about one of the projects, hopefully we'll do another one and you guys can see it when we come back and show you how the project went. So in this box, there's these little clothespins. Let's turn them this way so the silicone thing isn't in your way. And then we have zip ties. If you can see these, they're all in like clear packaging and they're all clear. And then the thumbtack things, what are these called? I can't even remember now. So we have those. And we have lots of syringes, guys, like a lot. And then lots of tubies, like this. I feel like we're gonna be in a doctor's office or something. And then it looks like all the rest of the pieces for the claw are contained within this pouch right here. And so I'm excited for him to do this. Like I said, he loves building things and loves seeing what else he can make in the booklet. So I'm gonna let him get at it and we'll let you know how this all goes and what we think of the project. Okay, so we made our craft. Here it is. It's kind of large, so it's hard to see.
Ow!
So the original project was just from about right here up to open the crane, and it had just the one syringe. But then in the booklet, it had the option to attach it to your box and use some of the other pieces and some more syringes at the back. So you could make a bigger hydraulic claw. So then you can move it by pushing in the syringes
and out the syringe.
And then pulling them out. It's pretty cool, huh? We like it. What's your favorite part, Mazer? Come over here so they can see you.
Grabbing things.
You like grabbing things? I think we have a video of you grabbing something. What was the hardest part?
I have a hard time getting it up.
Yeah, a hard time getting it up? What do you mean?
Hey, look, it's right there.
Yeah, so one of the hard things with this is there's little zip ties on the bottom of these. If you can see it, it's kind of hard to see. So the zip ties right here are really small, and so it was hard for me even to get my fingers in, so it wasn't very easy for him to do it. But other than that, he did almost everything by himself. And it was a really fun project, and there's a lot of other projects in the booklet that he gets to do. So we're gonna let him go run away. Okay, you can go out. So he's also working on, so in the booklet it has something where you can make an elevator using hydraulics. And so he stole his sister's box and is starting to make that. He hasn't made the whole thing yet. So that's something I just really like about these, is there's so many project options in this booklet. And like I said, it was pretty easy for him to do, and he loved it a lot. Filling the syringes the first time was a little bit rough and sprayed water all over the place. But other than that, it was a lot of fun. That part was funny too. But it was really easy for him to do. And we had a really fun time playing with it, and he's enjoyed playing with it since. And so we are happy with this month's Tinker Crate and are excited for next month to see what else we get to build. So if you're interested in seeing more unboxings or more information about homeschooling, please subscribe to my channel, and we will see you next month.